Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Synthesia, an artificial intelligence tool to create videos with avatars and presentations. Okay, first of all you have to go to this website, synthesia.io, and you will have to sign up. And you will have this screen. In this screen you can see many examples already. You can get inspired by some of them, and you can create a new video here. So you click here in new video, and you have several templates. All these templates are for specific use cases, so you will have to select the use case that you want. Let's select corporate technical training. Now, with the free version, you can create some videos, but you have some limited features. For example, you cannot create with AI, but you can select use template. At this point, you will start creating the video. Here you can edit the prompt, the text prompt. And basically you will say what you want the character to say. For example, then here you can select the speaker. In this case, by default, Alex is the avatar. And you can select also the style. So here you can hear some sample of the voices.
Welcome to this course on Artificial Intelligence 101.
Welcome to this course on Artificial Intelligence 101. I'm Alex, your trainer.
If you click here, you can change the avatar. You can change it to another one. For example, replace avatar, redirect you to other type of characters that you can select. And you can also select if you want a full body, like this one, or a circle, basically in the video. You can select the background of this shape directly here. You can also select the background of the entire slide. You can select some music if you want some music in background. And right now, if you click play, it won't synchronize with the lips of the avatar. But if you click on generate, it will create a video with the lip syncing. For example, here you can also edit the font. General Intelligence, one-on-one. Fundamentals of AI. And you can even add a logo. You can replace this one with your own, or you can replace the image here, or you can upload your own image. Okay. We can also replace the logo here. You can select contain if you want to scale it up. You will have the watermark of Synthesia in your free version. And after you finish everything, you can click on generate. Let's go back to the original avatar because it's easier. And click on generate. You have to select the title. And yeah, you click on generate. Now you wait a little bit and you will get the notification when it's ready to be played. Okay, let's see the result.
Welcome to this course on Artificial Intelligence 101. I'm Alex, your trainer. In this course, we will explore the basics of artificial intelligence.
So as you can see, the avatar is synchronized with the text prompt that I wrote. And here in a few minutes, you have a video created with artificial intelligence with an avatar that speaks for you.